Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Julia from Crocoblock and today I want to talk about the Unfold widget from JetTricks plugin. This space-saving widget has a lot of customization options, and with the help of it, you can optimize the layout, hide any extra content, or showcase it in a beautiful way. So let's take a look at how and where you can use the Unfold widget. First of all, let's open a page where you want to apply the Unfold widget and click Edit with Elementor. As you can see, I have this subsection over here and I want to add some text. What I'm gonna do is just find the Unfold widget in the Elements panel and simply drag it to the place where I want to locate it. Now it's super easy to customize it. In the Settings block, I can change the close height. The bigger the number, the more information is gonna be visible. I'm gonna set it to 110. Also, I can change the duration and apply easing effect. I'm going to choose Sign for both modes and set the number to 800. So now as you can see, it's really smooth. The next step is changing the text in the content block. Perfect. To style the button, I need to go to the next block and change the alignment into, let's say, Start, and change the text into Show More and Show Less. If I need a certain icon, I can choose one in the library, for example this arrow, or if I don't need any, I can set it to none, so now we have just a simple button. By the way, if you cannot find any icon that you like in the library, you can simply upload it through Upload SVG file option. Now let's move on to the next section. I have this chart over here and I just want to show you one more option of how you can use the Unfold widget. Again, find it in the Elements panel and simply drag it to the place where you want it to be. To change this text over here into something else, I need to go to the Content block. And instead of choosing Content Type Editor, I'm going to choose Template. Here you can choose any already made template, any section you want. Now I have these charts over here and I want them to be hidden, like completely hidden. I'm gonna go to the Settings block and change the close height into 20. Now it's all gone. By the way, you can easily create a template with the help of Elementor. You just need to go to the Templates, Add New. Make sure you select the type of the template section and just create it. Then with the help of the magic button, you can choose any section you want, insert it, and save it as template. And lastly, I want to demonstrate to you how you can easily style the Unfold widget so it doesn't look boring. If you go to the Style setting on the left sidebar, you'll see that there are a lot of customization options. Let's start with the Container block. Here you can change the background into the image, change its position, attachment, size, and so on. Also, you can set a solid color, change border radius, or set a gradient using the colors that fits your page properly. In the Separator block, you can find the same settings and choose the most suitable variant. Content block allows you to change the color of the font, and if you click on the typography setting, you will be able to set a font family, size, weight, etc. And finally, to style the button, you can go to the next block. There you can find typography setting and also change the styles for both normal and hover states. Options to change the text and background color and border radius are also available there. So that was it for today. I hope this video was useful for you. Please like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Have a great day and see you in the next one.